坂道すごいことになってんだけど。やばいね、これ。
氷が悪いって南極から氷仕入れてるよな。あれ、手配するのかなり苦労したんです。確か届いた。
A day has passed since the heavy snowstorm on January 13th, but the snowstorm will continue on the Sea of Japan side on the 14th, so caution is still needed. At New Chitose Airport in Hokkaido, 126 flights were canceled due to snow on the 13th, and about 900 people spent the night at the airport. Although there were some delays on the 14th, no major disruptions were reported. In Haiwa, Nishi Ward, Sapporo, several people were seen using 2 snowplows to clear the snow, said reporter Mizukami Koichiro. The snow has accumulated so much, it's hopeless. Even opening the front door is impossible, said a Sapporo resident. Although the weather in Sapporo was calm on the morning of the 14th, snow on the 13th further narrowed the roads. Snowdrifts at intersections had reached nearly 3 meters, reducing visibility. The blizzard is expected to continue on the Sea of Japan side, including in Rumoi City on the 14th, with heavy snowfall expected to reach 40 centimeters by the morning of the 15th in some areas. Heavy blizzards and snow are expected, especially along the Sea of Japan coast. Up to 80 centimeters of snow is expected in Tohoku, 70 centimeters in Hokuriku and Tokai, and 60 centimeters in the Kanto Koshin region by the evening of the 12th. A strong winter pressure pattern is forming around Japan, and strong cold air is pouring into the sky. Severe storms, high sea waves, and heavy snow are expected across areas from western to northern Japan until the 12th. In addition to strong wind and blizzard warnings, high wave warnings have also been issued, especially along the Sea of Japan coast, and heavy snow warnings have been issued for the mountainous regions of Kanto Koshin, Hokuriku, and Tokai. The Japan Meteorological Agency urges the public to be aware of strong winds, blizzards, and high waves, as well as traffic disruptions caused by heavy snow, blizzards, and snowdrifts. According to the Japan Meteorological Agency, strong to very strong winds are blowing across the country, and there are some areas where the sea is very rough. Areas from north to west of Japan are also experiencing heavy snowfall, and areas from north to east of Japan on the Sea of Japan are experiencing very heavy snowfall. A strong winter-type atmospheric pressure pattern will continue over Japan until early on the 12th, causing severe storms. Due to the influence of strong cold air and a low-pressure trough in the upper atmosphere, snowfall will increase in northern and western Japan, and atmospheric conditions will become very unstable in some areas. Snow forecast. Snowfall forecast for the 24-hour period from 6 o'clock p.m. on the 11th to 6 o'clock p.m. on the 12th. Heaviest area: Hokkaido 50 centimeters, Tohoku 80 centimeters, Kanto Koshin 60 centimeters, Hokuriku 70 centimeters, Tokei 70 centimeters, Kinki 50 centimeters, Shugoku 30 centimeters.
はい、ということで、ご挨拶回りの途中なんですけど、雪がすごいでしょ。こういう地域で地震のことを知っていただけるようにやっていきたいと思います。
The Japan Meteorological Agency is issuing warnings for strong winds, blizzards, and high waves in northern and western Japan until the 12th. In addition, caution is needed for traffic disruptions due to heavy snow, blizzards, and snowdrifts in northern and eastern Japan until the 12th. Also, be wary of lightning strikes, tornadoes, and other strong wind gusts. If there are signs of developing cumulonimbus clouds approaching, take steps to ensure your safety, such as moving indoors. There is also a risk of hail, so be careful when managing crops and agricultural facilities.